Nowadays, almost all diseases connect each other with physical, mental, and mind. Thai yoga massage is an useful massage technique for relaxing the body and mind, harmonize our energy circulation, and also help to nurse the health of our organs. When doing a massage, there will be touch and intimacy. This should be done on the basis of sincerity and mutual trust. This way can open up a space for our overall health. In this class, we learn to build an unique of movement based on the receiver's condition. The balanced composition of our movement is very important. Also, how quickly we memorize sequence movements from left side to right side, including the duration. So, this massage can be a one whole integrity.